guys? So right now we are driving down to the dock and we're gonna go put the boat in, go fishing. So we got Ashley there in the back and Corey, my dad, there. So it should be pretty fun.
First walleye trip of the year.
We're using a smiley blade with some beads on it, and then we got nightcrawler in there. So we'll go and put it in. We'll give it a try and see what it does.
We'll get some more of this one.
Okay, ready to roll.
Hello everybody, we're gonna go to another spot. We got into them out here last year early, but need a little more wind.
You got one?
I want it.
Oh, yep, I got one. It is one. Oh, yep. Oh, this isn't it. Oh. Oh, nice.
Keep it down in the water. Take your time.
Okay, here.
Take your time.
Oh, nice.
Nice trick.
Oh, man, nice. Oh man, that's a nice one.
Let's see. It'll be close.
Okay, here we go. Oh man, look how close that is.
It is 16 inches.
Nice.
Good job, Al. Good job, bro.
Yeah.
Put
Oh man, that's great.
Well, it's time for us to go, and we're gonna let this nice walleye go, and hopefully we can catch them out again next weekend or the weekend after. It's always fun to catch walleyes, and proud of Allie of getting the first fish of the season. We're gonna let this go. We gotta go back to camp, pack up, and head back, and get ready to come out next weekend, and more weekends to come throughout the summer. We'll talk to you later.
We had a pretty fun day fishing today, and if you guys like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And this hat that I'm wearing right now, and the one that you saw my dad wearing, are for sale. So pop over to our Facebook page, and I'll put that down, the link down in the description, and just send me a message, and I'll get you hooked up with a hat. That was the first walleye of the year, and it was pretty cool that I got to catch it. So we'll be out with more fishing videos later this summer.